If you are absolutely a cold sleeper, let me give you an alternative to consider: a down throw blanket. Whether you choose natural down or synthetic, these small blankets are perfect for the Camino. I actually travel with a down blanket on some of my backpacking trips when I'm sleeping outdoors in 60-degree weather, about 15 degrees Celsius, and I find that they work really, really well. And there are a lot of companies that make these down blankets, so check out the show notes below. But here's what I'm looking for when I say down blanket. I'm looking for approximately 1.9 meters by 1.25 meters, about 77 inches by 50 inches or so, with a 650 down fill measure. A down blanket of that size is going to weigh approximately 1 pound, about 0.45 kilograms, and give you all the warmth of about a 55-degree sleeping bag at 1/4 of the weight. By the way, if you want to save this video so you can come back to it, click like on YouTube, and YouTube will put this in your like videos folder on all of your devices. And clicking like also lets YouTube know that recommend this video to pilgrims who are planning their own Camino. Now, these down blankets by Horizon Hound, on Amazon, Rumpel, others, they pack down incredibly small, but here's a tip. Do not put them back in that stuff sack. Instead, you should literally stuff them down into the bottom of your backpack so that they occupy all the little folds and all the little spaces and all the little air pockets in the bottom of your backpack. And they're then compressed by your other backpack items. This will take up even less space than using the little stuff sack that comes with these blankets. One caveat with down is you don't want to get it wet. These blankets have a very thin 10 denier or 20 denier nylon facing, but you don't want them laying in water or soak through. So if that happens, be sure you dry them completely before you bundle them up so that they retain their warming qualities. So to answer your question, Karen, should I take a sleeping bag on the Camino de Santiago? No. But if you're a cold sleeper or uncertain about the journey, consider a small down camping blanket. You'll save weight and you'll stay warm wherever you go. For more tips and videos for your Camino, please click subscribe so that our Camino 101 videos are available automatically on your device. And if you'd like to listen to stories of pilgrimage from authors and pilgrims returning, please join us twice each month for new episodes of the Sacred Steps podcast. Thank you for joining me for this Camino 101 video. I'm Kevin Donahue. If I can help you plan your next Camino or answer your questions about your journey, please message me on Facebook, Instagram, or add a note in the comments below. Until next time, be well, stay safe, and buen camino.